animate a variety of data and avatar icons. Animating infographic icons. Let's animate these icons popping up and rotating with anticipation and overshoot. First, position our icon in our composition. Be sure your anchor point is in the center of the object. Use the Pan Behind tool to move your anchor point. Your object animates and transforms around this point. Move where we want our icon to end up. Hit the stopwatch for scale. Next, we'll go back in time and scale our icon down to 0. Let's overshoot our scale position at the midpoint. Scale it way up. Next, let's animate the rotation. Create a blank rotation keyframe here and go down to the last keyframe. Create a blank rotation keyframe. In order to create the overshoot, jump back to the midpoint and rotate this parameter. Okay, let's preview. Now repeat that for the rest of the icons. Add our scale keyframes and our overshoot keyframes in the middle of these keyframes. Repeat this step for the rotation keyframes. Now let's select the keyframes and add Easy Ease for all these keyframes. Let's preview.